What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the AMS Omega 11 turbo kit from AMS Performance for the R35 GTR. If you want a GTR capable of running 8-second passes down the quarter mile with the right supporting mods, then a bigger turbo kit should be on the cards. This particular kit is rated to over 1100 wheel horsepower and 1000 foot-pounds of torque, or over 1350 newton meters. It uses Garrett G30 660 CHRA and proprietary cast materials for the manifold for improved durability at extreme temperatures. So let's get this unboxed. Couple of Omega 11 decals to go on the car. And here's the full kit. Some piping to connect to your existing intercooler pipes. Silicone joiners as well. And some more hoses. Lots of clamps to get it all tightened down. And here's all the fittings with nuts and bolts, and what looks like is the wastegate springs. Anyway, let's wrap that up. Thanks so much for watching. Here's some B-roll.